Hey guys, it's Adam again from Adrenaline Cycles, and I want to give you guys a quick tour of the shop, the back half that nobody gets to see. Everybody gets to see the front half, all the new machines, all the cool stuff hanging on the walls, everything else. But we get a lot of customers that, ask us, what do you got in the back? Where do you store all your parts? Well, we got a huge building here, 40,000 square feet, and it's ours. We own it, and we use it. And we got a bunch of different areas, so I kind of make it quick so everybody just ain't taking a tour through a warehouse. This here is kind of like our staging area for pickups and also for extra units we got built. You can see here a customer coming to pick up his ride that we've done some service work on. You probably recognize the buggy if you're on Facebook any. And we got a side door that, goes out the front. Also, we stage our new units here. If you're coming in to pick up a buggy and it's pouring the rain outside, we'll have you come inside to look at your new machine instead of standing in the rain. I don't want to look in the rain and deal something in the rain. So we do it inside. Here we got plenty of room. Perks of having a big building. These units right here, you can see these are double ups, triple ups, hot movers. So we try to put these over here and keep them close. So if you come in and say I got limited room up front, I might only have one up there, but I got a couple out here. So don't feel threat if you just see one up front. I got plenty. As you can see here, this is just a little staging area for put together units, so they're not in a crate. The guys are ready to go. Some of our warehousing stuff here you can see along the wall. Most of this is like roofs and windshields, as you can see, and it runs the gamut here. We got some fender flares on the bottom. We got some more chemical type stuff, oils, cleaners, BRP stuff down along the wall. Got a big area here in the middle, and that's all bulk items from BRP as well that doesn't stack very well on the pallet racking. We'll walk around the side here, show you some more stuff. Got a whole shelf of axles here at the very first row, D. That's 90% BRP, and then we got a few GSP, which is like razors and stuff to help them guys out. Row E is our wheels section. As you can see, we got some used parts. Row F is our BRP stuff with a little bit of aftermarket suppliers, CT, Halo, Evo, CA Tech stuff. So we got a little section of that stuff here. We try to keep it in stock. You can see a lot of charge tubes and things like that, important to have. The next biggest thing I think most people buy is wheels and tires. So here's our tire section as well as what we have up front. Got some pre-mounted, got some that's just takeoffs that we've gotten in on trade. Some spares if somebody blows one out, going on down the line to the rest of everything we got down there. Back here on our right, more BRP stuff. As you can see, it's full, and it's a gamut, guys. I mean, we stock a lot of stuff. Here we got radius rods. If you guys been one, it's in stock here. Call us up. We'll help you out and get it shipped out. We ship every day of the week. And it's everything. We got knuckles, hubs, rotors. I mean, it's just everything. Radiators. Whatever you need for an X3, dude, it's probably here. If it's not, we'll get it really quick and start stocking it. But as you can see, this is a lot of X3 stuff. Over here is a bunch more X3 stuff, radios, cargo boxes, coolers, upper doors, all kinds of stuff, guys. We're not limited here. We've got plenty of room and plenty of parts. Like I said, you can see more wheels and tires set down through here. This is kind of like the back row here is our hodgepodge row. Falls into Dragonfire, some Super ATV items, audio roofs from Audio Forms, Pro Box, whatever we're stocking at the time. Then it goes down into some high lifter products, which we like their A-arms. A lot of all the high lifter stuff's really good, so we try to stock it as well. And then we lead into our own brand of tree bars that's made here locally for us. And then you can see here we got a pack order in. Guys, we ain't fooling around. I don't know a dealer that's going to order 35 or 40 S&B particle separators. If you guys need one, call us. We got them in stock, and the reason we order 40 is because we're moving 40. So keep that in mind if you're needing some parts. We'll go on down here. Like I said, it keeps going, dude. It's a large warehouse. This row here, we call it A, and this is all your miscellaneous nuts and bolts. just everything. If you want to go down through there, Josh, just give them a quick view of what's all in here, guys. I'm telling you, nuts for your axles, washers for your axles, lug nuts, wheel studs, oil filters, air filters, gaskets, just everything, clutches, you know, anything you guys are going to need. You know, we try to put it on the shelf, especially for an X3, because it seems to be the most popular item out there right now. Moving on back, this is our staging area once the machine's been repaired. So we'll park it in here inside, not outside, not in the weather, because you don't park your stuff outside in the weather, so we don't do it here. Stays inside, out of the weather, locked up, safe and sound. So, you know, right now everybody's been picking up because it is a Friday here, so we're thinned down a little bit. Moving on around, we got our tire changing station. Got to have that, a lot of wheels and tires, so it stays pretty busy during the week. Going on up into, this is mainly the shop side over here. We have kind of like a final assembly station here, and a check over quality control type area, and they're staging a bunch of parts for a build they got coming up, looks like. Moving on over, we got 2 big automotive lifts to work on these side by sides. Might be overkill, might not be. It's nice to have so the guys ain't working on the ground. And it's just, like I said, we got a buggy on here getting worked on. It makes it a lot easier. Over here on this side, again, this is where everything sets if it's getting worked on. So you bring your buggy in, one of the guys says, hey, I need my buggy worked on, parks over here until one of our guys gets it over into the shop. So again, it's not sitting outside, guys. I don't understand why a dealer would put your $25,000 machine outside. So we keep them inside. From the time they come in to the time you pick them up, they're inside. Moving on up, you know, you see the shop area, of course, you know, guys got carts, got lifts. Moving on up, we got, you know, chemicals on the side over there. All BRP stuff goes in them. We don't cut corners. You get a service, you get BRP. No exemptions, no nothing. You're getting the right stuff that your buggy calls for. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the shop, the building, the Adrenaline Cycles. That's what we do. If you guys see something you needed on there or got a question or whatever, man, just let us know, ask, and we'll get you guys taken care of. Just hope you enjoyed the video, and we will have more to come. Again, thank you, guys.